Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Microsoft Intune Microsoft Entra ID Complete Master Course from Zero to Expert, and this is video number 40 in this course. So in today's video basically we are going to learn how to deploy line of business or LOB application by using Microsoft Intune. So these are typically application provided by your organization or software vendor in a uh, MSI format. So there are other formats also which you can use to deploy line of business application. So let me show you. So if I go on my Intune under the applications and let's say go to maybe Windows app, and then we have already deployed all these application previously throughout this course in last few videos. And now if I click on create, you should be able to see the basically app type. This is the under the other you have a line of business application. If I click this, you should be able to see you can deploy APK file, Android, IPA file, package file in Mac OS, and then for Windows there are a lot of support like MSI bundle, APX bundle, MSI X, and all those things. So you can use any of these format to deploy your line of business application basically. So now basically uh, imagine your organization has developed some internal HR application, maybe called HR portal, and the installation file is hrportal.exe .msi basically. So since this application is not available on Microsoft Store, you can upload the MSI package directly to the Microsoft Intune and deploy it for all the application, or basically deploy that application for all the employees or all the devices basically. So this the process is straightforward. First upload the MSI application to Microsoft Intune, then configure the application such as name, description, publisher, deployment options, and then assign application to required users and group, which we have already done multiple time in last few videos. So let's understand what is the line of business app application. So before we go ahead and uh, you go ahead and deploy the MSI package, let's first understand what is line of business application. So basically, you can say the line of business application is a software which is developed specifically for maybe for your organization based on the business requirement or business needs basically. Unlike basically applications such as Microsoft Word, Zoom, which we have already deployed, or WhatsApp, which is used almost everywhere, line of business application is designed for particular business or particular department, or maybe particular business case. So imagine if you have a basically let's say if you have a hospital has a own patient management system, or bank has their internal loan processing application, and so these applications are not available on the Microsoft Store because they are built for basically specific organization. So similar company might have a HR portal, inventory management system, or maybe attendance application for day-to-day operations. So these software are usually provided by MSI installer by the organization development team, or maybe a software vendor, and then Intune administrator basically can use Intune to deploy these application directly to the devices or users. So now this is very important. Now let's understand what is line of business application, and let's compare it with a Win32 application, because it's very common interview questions as well as important concept for an Intune administrator. So line of business application is usually custom application built for a specific organization based on the organization need. So, for example, HR management system, accounting software, hospital management system, inventory management systems, and all these things. On other hand, Win32 app is a standard Windows application which anyone can use basically, such as let's say maybe a 7-zip, Google Chrome, Acrobat Reader, and all those things which we have already deployed. So these applications are commonly packaged in basically Win32 application are commonly packaged in .exxi, .esx, uh, or maybe a MSI file, and typically converted to .intune.vim package before deploying through a Intune. So so remember the simple rule if you want to basically understand. So if it's a custom business application built for one organization, it's going to fall in under line of business application. And if it's a general application which runs on Windows platform and widely available, it's going to be deployed as a Windows 30 Win32 application from Microsoft Intune. So this is what you need to understand. An MSI deployment package in Microsoft Intune is very simple. You can select the MSI, select in Intune, assign the devices, and basically deploy the application on the assigned devices or group. So we have already did this multiple time here. If you want to see, we have deployed, let's say, I'll take one example, let's say Win32 app 7-zip. So if I click here, if I go to properties, you should be able to see all the configurations. Everything is going to remain same. The assignment, like all devices are a specific group. Then if you have a requirement list, you can configure the requirement. You can configure the program details and the application information. Same thing you can do it for line of business application also. So there is no fancy way to do it. And then basically once this is done, this can be deployed. So supported LOB application type, which we already discussed. You can deploy a mobile application, Win32 application, line of business, web app, and web application. So everything can be deployed by using basically line of business application. So if I click create and then line of business app, you should be able to see these are the things which we can deploy. And then the process is very simple. Upload the MSI package depending on your requirement, and then configure the application which I told based on your requirement. And then you can assign the assignment based on the required or available. So required is automatically going to install per user based on per user per device. Available is going to be available by using the company portal application. So user can basically go ahead and pick the application to install via company portal. So this is what is the main difference. And then you need to specify the installation and uninstallation behavior in the same way basically. So each application does have an installation and uninstallation behavior. So let me go to properties. So if you see here, basically this is the installation command, and for basically .exe file, and then you have an uninstallation command. So this is what you need to verify and put. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and deploy the monitor and deploy the installation, and make sure your application line of business application is deployed. And you can basically go ahead and track your deployment status, and if any machine which is reporting issue, you can go ahead and try to fix that. And so these are the some basically important best practices for enterprise basically. So these practices can help you to smooth deployment of any line of business application with the reduced support issues. So the very first thing, verify and test. So always test your application with a fewer device before deploying it to everyone, and test everything, make sure everything is working fine. Then next is target wisely. So instead of assigning application to all user, create a pilot group or a specific department group, and then you can deploy the application. Let's say if that application is only for HR department, you can tag all the HR users or HR devices. And then if that software belongs to finance, you can tag to the finance users or finance department PCs. And then always try to deploy with the silent configuration. So configure silent command option, so user don't have to click next finish to install the application. So the application install automatically in the background without interrupting their end user work basically. And then after deployment, always monitor the installation status in Microsoft Intune, and check and make sure all the devices are installed successfully and there was no error. And keep application updated. So whenever there is a new version is provided from your vendor or in-house development team, make sure that a new version is always updated on all the machines. So following these practices make your application deployment more reliable, secure, easy to manage for any enterprise environment by using the Intune for the line of business application. So the installation process is remain same what we did for basically Win32 application. That's why I'm not going to create a dedicated lab for this. So the process is very much same, so there is no difference in the process of deploying the application. So you can follow the Win32 application deployment process to get the installation done. So this is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe me, and if you have any query, any question, please drop me on given mail IDs. Thank you once again. Bye bye.